How do I keep the cutworms out of my squash? It seems every year I get the squash growing only to be killed by cutworms. Thanks. And this is from Tommy from Chatsworth, Georgia. So Mr. Tommy, guess what? We have our entomologist here, Dr. Hale. So what do you say, Dr. Hale?
Well, we have cutworms, whether it's Tennessee or Georgia.
That's right.
We have lots of them. The moth lays its eggs on weeds and such. Sure. The little caterpillars are nocturnal feeders. They hide during the day, then they come out at night and clip the plants. So we like to, just a simple thing you can do is just get a toilet paper roll. You can cut that off and then wrap that with some aluminum foil and sort of fit that around the base of it. If you want to add some diatomaceous earth within that ring or around it, that irritates the insects. They don't like that. Right. So that would help. Of course, insecticides can be applied. Since they're active at night, you do it in late afternoon to the soil around the base of the plant. Okay. Yeah.
The toilet paper roll, how about that?
That's good.
Yeah, that's a pretty good idea.
Okay.
See, we got to conserve, you know.
We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.